Spotlight Music Kids.
When I feel sad and all alone, Grandma comes over to our home. She wraps me tight, oh what a treat. Grandma's hug is so sweet. Squeeze me close, hold me tight. Everything will be alright. Grandma's hug is so sweet. It's like a cozy warm treat. Whenever I'm feeling low, her love helps me grow. We bake some cookies, watch them rise. Grandma tells me stories, oh what a surprise. With her by my side, life's a joyful beat. Grandma's hug is so sweet. Dance and laugh, let's twirl around. In her love, happiness is found. Grandma's hug is so sweet. It's like a cozy warm treat. Whenever I'm feeling low, her love helps me grow. So